Imagine a place where mountains touch the sky, where rivers carve through lush valleys, and where nature's beauty is on full display. Welcome to Switzerland, a country so picturesque it feels like a storybook. But Switzerland is more than just a beautiful place. It's a destination filled with adventure, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Switzerland's mountains are among the most famous in the world, but it's not just the views that make them special, it's how they're experienced. You can hop on the iconic Glacier Express, a train that travels from Zermatt to St. Moritz. For hours, all you see are snow-capped peaks, deep valleys and forests, rolling by in stunning panoramas. Imagine sipping hot chocolate in the comfort of a glass-dome train car while glaciers and mountains pass by like a living painting. This isn't just travel, it's like a scene out of a dream. Of course, the Alps are more than just a backdrop. They're an adventure playground. From skiing and snowboarding in winter to hiking and paragliding in summer, these mountains are alive with endless possibilities. Did you know that Switzerland is home to some of Europe's most legendary ski resorts? Places like Zermatt and Verbier attract thrill seekers from all over the globe. Then there's the Matterhorn. This iconic mountain is so majestic, it even inspired the design of the Toblerone chocolate bar. But it's not just a sight to see. The Matterhorn offers challenging climbs, glacier hikes, and panoramic views you'll never forget. In winter, the villages here look like something out of a snow globe. Streets lined with chalets, snow blanketing rooftops, and cozy fires glowing from cottage windows. All of it feels magical. In Switzerland, winter isn't just a season, it's an experience. Switzerland is often called the land of lakes, and it's easy to see why. There are over 1,500 lakes here, each more beautiful than the last. Lake Geneva, one of Europe's largest lakes, is bordered by the French Alps on one side and the historic city of Geneva on the other. Picture yourself on a boat, gliding across sparkling blue water, with vineyards and snow-capped mountains as your view. It's a unique blend of nature and elegance. And there's the Jet d'Eau, a towering fountain that shoots water high into the sky, creating a dazzling show against the backdrop of the lake. It's a symbol of Geneva and a must-see when you're there. Then there's Lake Lucerne, nestled among mountains and quaint villages. Imagine taking a steamboat across this lake, breathing in the crisp mountain air, and watching the Alps loom ever closer. It's here you'll find some of Switzerland's oldest historical sites, along with views that look like they belong on a postcard. Switzerland isn't just about natural beauty. Its villages and cities are equally captivating. Take Interlaken, a town nestled between two crystal-clear lakes and surrounded by towering peaks. Known as the adventure capital, it's a gateway to paragliding, skydiving, and helicopter tours over the Alps. Switzerland isn't just about natural beauty. Its villages and cities are equally captivating. Take Interlaken, a town nestled between two crystal-clear lakes and surrounded by towering peaks. Known as the adventure capital, it's a gateway to paragliding, skydiving, and helicopter tours over the Alps. Here you can soar over the lakes and mountains for a view like no other. It's an adrenaline rush you won't find anywhere else, and it's just one of the ways Switzerland brings you closer to nature. And then there's Zurich, a city where tradition meets innovation. As Switzerland's largest city, Zurich offers art galleries, upscale shopping, and historic streets, all set against a backdrop of mountains. You can stroll along the charming Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping avenues, or visit the Fraumünster Church, known for its beautiful stained glass windows designed by Marc Chagall. Zurich is a city that feels alive with history, yet constantly moving toward the future. From its world-famous banks to its cozy old town cafes, Zurich blends the old and the new like nowhere else. Now let's talk about Swiss culture. The country has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. This diversity makes Switzerland a unique blend of European influences, each region having its own traditions and flavors. And one of the tastiest Swiss traditions, cheese fondue. Imagine gathering around a pot of melted cheese with friends, dipping bread into a mix of flavors that's been perfected for centuries. It's more than just a meal. It's a way to come together and celebrate Swiss hospitality. Switzerland's festivals are another highlight. Every year, Swiss towns come alive with events celebrating everything from cow parades to yodeling competitions. These traditions are a reminder of the country's deep-rooted history and its connection to the land. Switzerland is not only beautiful, it's one of the most eco-conscious countries in the world. Over 60% of its electricity comes from hydroelectric power, with a commitment to sustainable energy across the board. Swiss trains are powered by renewable energy, allowing you to travel through the country with minimal environmental impact. This love for nature is embedded in Swiss culture. Hiking trails are well preserved, recycling is a way of life, and sustainability is a national priority. Every step you take here feels like a reminder of how we can live in harmony with the planet. In the end, Switzerland is more than just mountains, lakes, or cities. It's a place where every view, every village, and every cultural tradition comes together to create something truly magical. Whether you're here for the adventure, the relaxation, or the history, Switzerland welcomes you with open arms and breathtaking beauty. So, are you ready to experience the wonders of Switzerland? Let us know in the comments what part of Switzerland you'd most love to explore, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.